And as vowed by Chandrababu Naidu, a major purification ritual is currently underway at the temple. This is the Homam ceremony, and this is taking place inside the Tirumala temple. We have Deepak joining us, who's getting us the latest. Seers have come in yesterday. Chandrababu Naidu met the officials, top officials of the TTD. A report was submitted to the Chief Minister, and now these rituals are underway. Deepak, you're in the temple. You've been speaking to devotees. You've been getting us the latest on the purification ritual that has started. This is also coming at a time when the Deputy Chief Minister of Andhra Pradesh is also undertaking a 11-day penance. What's the latest? Take us through what you're seeing around you.
Well, as we speak, of course, the purification ritual is currently underway at the Tirupati Tirumala Devasthanam. This is, of course, a renowned temple from across the country. Devotees come in here, lakhs of them, and over 3 lakh laddus are distributed as prasadam to the devotees. Now, this laddu, of course, which is world famous, has become the center of controversy after the adulteration charge. So today, let's take this question across to the devotees who come here, who of course consume the laddus, who take it home to give it to their relatives, about what they feel about this entire controversy. Now when you look at this controversy that has broken out, the adulteration charge, how do you really view this? As a devotee, does it affect you? Does it bother you?
मुझे बस इतना बोलना है कि जो भी चीज़ हुआ है, अगर हुआ है तो गलत है और इन चीज़ों को रुकना चाहिए, क्योंकि हम यहाँ पे प्रभु से मिलने आते हैं और हमारी एक श्रद्धा है। और श्रद्धालुओं के पीठ पीछे क्या हो रहा है, यहाँ के मैनेजमेंट को अंदर जाके पूरा देखना चाहिए कि कहाँ पे त्रुटियाँ हो रही हैं, कहाँ पे गलतियाँ हो रही हैं। और दूसरी चीज़ मुझे ये बोलनी थी कि जो भी यहाँ पे राजनीति हो रही है कि भाई है नहीं है, ये पक्ष विपक्ष दोनों जन से मेरा निवेदन है कि आप अपना राजनीति बाहर छोड़िए और आप लोग मिल के मंदिर में प्रशासन में जो भी प्रॉब्लम हुआ है आप उसको जल्द से जल्द खत्म करने की कोशिश करिए और जो दोषी लोग हैं उनको आप पकड़िए और सख्त से सख्त सजा दिलवाइए।
और ये जो अडल्ट्रेशन की जब चार्ज ऐसी आती है, उन्होंने बोला कि उनको कुछ इफेक्ट नहीं होता, उनकी श्रद्धा ऐसी ही रहती है, ये यहाँ आप आते हैं सिर्फ भगवान से मिलने के लिए। लेकिन आपको लगता है कि अंदर से ये इशू को फिक्स करना है और क्लैरिटी देनी चाहिए डेवोटीज को जो यहाँ पर आते हैं और ये विश्वास से ये प्रसाद लेते हैं कि भगवान का ये प्रसाद है?
हाँ, ये भगवान का ही प्रसाद है। तो ये जो भी मिलावट हुआ जिन्होंने किया है तो उनको सख्त से सख्त सजा देके और अभी से यहाँ से जो प्योर प्रसाद है सबको मिलना चाहिए, क्योंकि श्रद्धालु जाते हैं मन से दिल से श्रद्धा से आते हैं। उनका ये नहीं होता है कि मिक्सिंग होना चाहिए, ऐसा है। लेकिन जिसको भी प्रसाद मिला वो पूरे शुद्ध मिले।
आपका दर्शन आज हो चुका है क्या? आपने प्रसाद लिया?
नहीं लिया है, जस्ट अभी प्रभु के दरबार में जा रहे हैं, दर्शन करने के लिए जा रहे हैं।
तो अभी फिलहाल आपके माइंड में तो प्रसादम लेने के कोई सेकंड थॉट्स तो नहीं होगा?
नहीं, ऐसा कोई थॉट नहीं है अभी।
हम प्रसाद जरूर लेंगे, प्रसाद पूरे दिल से श्रद्धा से लेंगे प्रसाद
जी। और लास्टली आप क्या अपील करेंगे यहाँ टीडीटी के बोर्ड और यहाँ की सरकार को, क्या अपील करना चाहते हैं?
देखिए, यहाँ की जो संस्था है और सरकार से बस यही अपील है कि श्रद्धालुओं को किसी भी तरह से तकलीफ ना हो, चाहे वो प्रसाद के रूप में हो और व्यवस्था के रूप में हो या रहने खाने की जो भी मुश्किलें हैं उस रूप में श्रद्धालुओं को कोई तकलीफ ना रहे, बस यही है।
Well, they are saying that they want the government, of course, to take action immediately against anybody who's involved in any sort of adulteration process. And more importantly, they are saying it doesn't affect them at this point in time because it's their devotion with which they come to the temple, offer prayers and seek the blessings, and more importantly consume the prasadam as well. As we speak, you can see, of course, hundreds of people around me, and this is not even the queue which leads into the temple, and that's behind this particular wall that you're looking at. This is the main temple, and behind it is where the sanctum sanctorium is, and that's where the special homa, Shanti Homa, is going on.
Yes.
The purification homa, where they are trying to restore the sanctity after this entire controversy that has broken out with adulterated substances that were found in a batch of ghee that was procured from, a person, or rather a company in Tamil Nadu which had been supplying ghee to Tirupati Tirumala Devasthanam for about 2 decades nearly. So
Right.
while this company has been doing this for about a couple of decades, the question that arises is why did this problem arise only in the last couple of months? Has there been there in the past? That is where the need for this SIT to look into all claims and go into the depth of the problem is the need of the hour.
Deepak, as you get us these pictures and tell us about the homam that is currently underway, this is a purification ritual that that has been taken, has been undertaken by the TTD, which is in charge of the temple and of managing the entire temple. Yesterday, the TTD also officials met the Chief Minister and handed him a report. We'll talk to you about the report, but let's tell our viewers about how former Andhra Pradesh Chief Minister and YSRCP Chief Jagan Mohan Reddy, he also wrote a letter. It's an 8-page letter. He wrote it to Prime Minister Narendra Modi yesterday, and he accused Chandrababu Naidu of lying and spreading propaganda about the prasadam in Tirupati. Explaining the entire tender process for procuring ghee for the prasad, he said there are robust mechanisms in place to check if the ghee is pure or not. In his letter, he added that during Chandrababu Naidu's previous regime, tankers carrying adulterated ghee were rejected about 14 to 15 times. And during his tenure, that is his previous tenure, tankers carrying ghee mixed with adulterants were rejected 18 times. We are going to take you through the excerpts of the letter that Jagan Mohan Reddy wrote to Prime Minister Narendra Modi, but on your screens are also pictures of the homam that's underway. We are also telling you about how Andhra Pradesh Deputy Chief Minister Pawan Kalyan has undertaken an 11-day penance. He said that he will seek atonement for not being able to detect animal fat in Laddu Prasadam that is given at the Tirumala Tirupati temple. Even he yesterday met the executive officer of TTD, that is J. Shamala Rao, and he too got a lowdown from him on the reports that are being prepared by the temple body on the Prasadam controversy. Let's listen into how Pawan Kalyan took aim at those who are behind this entire sacrilege saga.
ఏ ధర్మం మీదైనా సరే ఇలాంటి అపవిత్రం ఒక చర్చి మీద జరిగిన ఒక మస్జిద్ మీద జరిగిన దేశం అల్లకల్లోలం చేసేస్తారు, ప్రపంచం అంతా మాట్లాడతారు, గ్లోబల్ న్యూస్ అయిపోద్ది. కానీ దేశంలో కోట్లాది మంది హిందువులు అపవిత్రమైతే, ఈ ప్రసాదం అపవిత్రమైతే ఒక్కరు కూడా మాట్లాడకూడదు, ఇది సెక్యులర్ వ్యవస్థకు విఘాతం అంటే హిందువులకి మనోభావాలు ఉండవా? ఇది ఒక్కరు నిందించట్లా, అసలు మీరు ప్రస్తావన చేయకూడదు, ఇది తప్పు, ఇది మాట్లాడకూడదంటే ఎట్లా? ఇదే వేరే మతానికి మీరు అన్వయిస్తారా? దోషులకి శిక్ష పడాలి. ఫుడ్ అడల్ట్రేషన్ ఇది మేము కాదంటలా. టీటీడీ బోర్డు అప్పుడు టీటీడీ బోర్డు బాధ్యత తీసుకోవాలి.
And the latest break